All right. Things to remember. Always use PPE. You're working with dust and chemicals. Gloves and at least a pair of goggles. Always choose a suitable jacking location before you start to jack the vehicle up. Use safety stands. Always work on a vehicle on a level ground. If you're jacking up your rear, where your handbrake is, always chock your front tyres. Alright, let's get the tyre off first. Alright, let's get the tyre off. And let's have a look at what's going on behind the drum. There is a Phillips head screw on most drum brakes that helps to lock it in. You do need to hit it with a hammer and a screwdriver, preferably an impact screwdriver. But I've somehow managed to lose my driver bit, so that was really loose. I don't like that already. That's not good. So this is our mechanical adjuster here. So that's what is used for adjusting a handbrake through the cable. It's a self-adjuster, so it tensions as you pull the handbrake on. It's supposed to self-adjust. Now, and those shoes are worn right down. Worn right down. It's nice bit of meat here, nice in here, and same here. Not too bad, but then you get down here, it gets back down to the steel, which we don't want. Right. Okay. So after a slight parts issue, due to ordering parts at a ridiculous hour of the morning, we now have the correct parts. So don't do what I did, which is order parts at like 2 o'clock in the morning when you're half asleep. So these are the correct shoes, which is what I should have ordered to start with. Which also meant I ordered the incorrect drums. So we've got our locator pins in the right place. We also have the shoe, the correct dimensions. So let's pull this off and get it relocated onto the new shoe. So then that way we can continue the job, which has a very, very, very small clip in there. So these particular clips I like to call horseshoe clip because they're very small, very awkward. Which is where small tools come in very, very handy. And by small clips, I mean is literally a small clip which can be reshaped so ideally these go in one way, which is as such, each one to its own, so this one will sit like that on here. Again, PPE is a must. Doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but we do want to clean it up. So once refitted, it wants to sit nice and flush. There is a small groove cut, which we want the whole clip to sit in. So that it does its job to hold the bracket on. If the clip's in the right spot, it should move around nicely in the groove. A lot of, quite a lot of colourful words off camera. We've got the shoes to a point where we can put them into position and then reattach. Or put the drum back on and adjust them. Alright, so something else I was taught as an apprentice was when you put the drum back over the shoes, so you have a screw locator hole, should go back to the screw locator hole. Be warned, there's two holes. One is actually a screw locator, the other is an oversized hole with no thread. So line it up. Now again, I was taught this as an apprentice. One drop of Loctite onto the thread. No more than one drop, or you're asking for troubles. This part you can just use normal screwdriver for and do it up. Again, I was taught that as an apprentice. Things might have changed, but that's what I know, that's what I do. Get it off the jack stand and we're done. got it under tension, they're just done up. Now,